Okay, we're getting ready to install 2 more solar panels up on the roof of the Buster, where I remove that rear air conditioner. And again, these are SunPower brand, 54.7 volts. Really good success with them here. So I got the brackets mounted on there, and then we're gonna raise them. I'm gonna climb up on the roof. I'm gonna tie a rope to them. I don't really have a rope, so I'm gonna tie an extension cord to them, and then that's how I can lift them up on the roof there. So Kelly will be able to help me. Just the 2 of us together can do this. It's not too hard. This needs to be over the center of the ladder. Yep. Get the center tang on there. Just make sure the tang doesn't catch on the ladder. Make sure it can hold its own weight before you lift it up. Staying good?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I do remember this part,
Yep.
but I fought with it. Okay, you got a hold of it a second so I can go up the ladder?
Yeah, gotta move it over to the side a little though. There you go.
Moving the ladder some. Unwrap it from here or no?
Not yet. Okay, got it up there. 1 more to go. And then we'll have all, what are we gonna have up there, 10? Yeah. 10 panels, 327 watts each, so 3,270 watts. So it was a little squishy, like I suspected under there. That's where the air conditioner has been dripping.
What you doing, Scott?
Checking my rear end.
What did you just tell me?
I said my finger smells because I had to stick it in the rear end. It's full. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gotta wipe my finger off. Now my finger's clean. Still smells though.
So you're sniffing it.
Yep, I stuck it in. Sniffed it. It's a little snug. I'm like coming out here. Okay. I'd like to have a moment of silence for the pad, as it now has official Detroit diesel engine oil dripped on it. It cleaned up pretty good though, but it was the first, so we'll take a moment to honor it. I'm sorry guys, I didn't know you were in there.
What?
His tools, check the air and all those duels. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Well, he's got a long hard ride in old Lenny the Silver Sides. Get that bus grease monkey on the road. Well, he's got that hammer down and that 47 Hound. It's that bus grease monkey on the road. He travels all around and he's coming to your town. Get that bus grease monkey down the road. See that 4104 with the propped up engine door. Watch that bus grease monkey do his thing. 30 years behind behind that barn, 'cause it don't run worth a darn. Watch that bus grease monkey make it sing. He knows them Detroits, there's no doubt, upside down and inside out. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in that old blue silver sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Now he's moved his family to the hills of Tennessee. Watch that bus grease monkey make his home, bringing buses back to life with the help of his dear wife. Watch that bus grease monkey get it done. Well, he travels town to town working on them old greyhounds. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in old Lenny the Silver Sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know?